Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, Brother Lee here. It's been a minute since my last video. I know. But without getting into too many details, let's just say I've been very deep in building my own tour website, and it's now finally live. Ever since I started hosting food tours with On Tour Food Tours back in September 2017, I realized there's just so much to learn and so much to love about my own culture. Along the way, I've jumped into a role of marketing and PR for a wine company and helped run student programs for an education company. But I always found my way back to tour hosting. Why? Because it fits perfectly in what I truly love, which is curating unforgettable experiences for guests like you. Now, after a decade of learning, eating, wandering, and growing, I'm proud to announce that I now offer my own tour experiences on Nihaooooo.com. But the real question is, are you ready? If your answer is yes, click the link down below in description and book now. I look forward to seeing you on one of my tours. Together, let's explore Shanghai the brotherly way. Until then, be safe out there.